My name is Jacob Phelan, and I'm the men's bowling coach here at Mid-Michigan College. There's a lot of physical things that you can work on mechanically when it comes to bowling, but at the end of the day, it's a very mentally oriented sport. So teaching the mental toughness, the mental aspect of the game is very crucial, not just on the lanes, but off the lanes too. So I take a lot of pride in working with my bowlers about being mentally tough, being disciplined, not letting things drag them down, that you just need to keep pushing forward. You can't let the past influence the next obstacle that you're going to overcome. You just have to keep pushing, keep going forward. We recruit kids that seem very coachable. They're very respectful. That's one thing that we look for, is the respect for themselves, their opponents, their coaches. We look for some leadership traits and stuff like that as well. If you come to Mid-Michigan College to be a part of the bowling team, it's very family-oriented. We spend a lot of time together, both on and off the lanes. We try to make sure everybody feels like they're a part of it. And I think that that's probably the most valuable piece to the bowling program here at Mid. Obviously, winning is very important to us. We're trying to build something strong, sustainable, but at the same time, we want to make those friendships, those relationships that extend beyond the lanes and that we can hold in our hearts for a lifetime.